Hello everyone, and bring another video for financial markets again. In this case, we're only going to use one strategy, which is Bollinger Bands. That is very easy for you, but with a different criterion. Let's move on the time frame. To make this video fast, I'm going to use 30 seconds and classic candles. I'm going to set the Bollinger Bands right now. Okay, that's the same that we use in the live, but the deviation we're gonna use one. The color is up to you. Okay, if you want to use that, you can follow this. 2 minutes and $50. So let's try this challenge right now. Okay. All right, I will generate for the term squeezy, which is where is the price compression January when the prices exceed too much, whether it's up or down, break all the bands. That is when I enter. That is where I look for entry and wait for the entry to occur on to be confirmed based on the criterion. And then I'll try to do that and explain that for you. Okay. All right, so let's try. Have an entry right here. We're going to apply the criteria. As you can see, I have to identify any kind of range. And the probable range can be of the type. You can see here that is the passive also have another range, guys. Last different rate then is the range number 1, and the price fluctuates. It's like a very lateral trend. The bands contract is all right. It's contracting this. I have to wait for this to break to one side. Okay, the candles just passed through that line. It's up. Okay, that's bearish one, the bullish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look at that, guys. Okay, you can see that right here. This again, let's see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm a 6 candle, 2 minutes and below the price of here to here. This price stay below and win here. What's the same criterion? I see the range. Look at the range, because here we got a good downtrend and now the revert is happening right here. And come back here, guys. It does happen, right? Entry points. Don't say it can be. It can be lost. All right, but look at that. Very, very dangerous for us in this moment right now. Okay. So let's wait. That's last 10 seconds. You see how the first trade turns out. Oh my god, it was so close. You just gotta win on this one. $96 of profit. That's a good thing for us.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Alright. The reaction occurs the price in the last seconds, guys. First success. So let's for the second one. That's a downtrend right here, right now. Okay, look here, guys. That's a good example. It has maintained a kind of range, although there's a lot of wake in a short period of time. The price is rising and remains in its operable range. It's come back and doesn't go through. Here you can see the price candles break, right? Look at see the candles does indeed break in the next candle, rise and reject. So the next candle give me the confirmation of that. Well, I waited for that. No, I was watching the pairs of 2 pairs. Oh my god, it's very volatile. Guys, financial market is more complicated because sometimes the trend is very volatile. At the pairs, there's not so much volatility, but the point difference is not so great and it looks like that. But there could be a situation where the price falls so quickly and it's too late to have to take that into the account. So let's wait and see how the second one is happening with that. Okay, you can wait for that 1 minute almost. All right, guys. So look at this one. Position 1 on this pair. West D say half pair, despite volatility, well, the direction in the pair is down. And there is a lot of rejection. Only that you see a lot of wick. You can see here too. Alright, look for the last entry of the session. That's the 31 on this one. I have the last entry on this. In this case, I tried to wait a little long to see if the price would give me a better entry point. Well, 15 seconds ago, there's something like this. Alright. Identifying the operation range of the bands. Here, seeing that the price is going below the trend is bearish. Pretty good. Alright, here's the tail of it as well. And trend is going down. That's normal. Nothing happens. Because the entry right here, the criteria, it's Bollinger Bands Strategy, the squeeze partner. I hope it is break the range, guys. The candle is strong break candle for me then to enter there. And that's why I entered. Let's see how this turns out to mark if I entered the candle when I should have entered. I'm going to wait almost 1 minute right now. And trade center turns out. So let's go back to this.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Alright guys, final seconds. We have another one. Yep. Ooh, wow. $326 of that, guys. Look this. I just raised my account from $50 to almost $330. That's a good thing. That's his amazing expanding squeeze pattern. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comment sections of this video. I invite you to like it, subscribe, and while to see the next live sessions on the channel in an upcoming video. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.